Hi everyone, welcome to September subscription video. My name is Plai and today we will be brewing Panama coffee, and it's a Katoi variety from Boquete community. And this particular lot is made specifically for Rogue Wave Coffee, just for us. I went to visit Creativa Coffee District, the producer of this coffee, both last year and also earlier this year as well. And this particular coffee is sources from two farms, Los Naranjos and Cerro Joqueta, situating at 1,250 to 1,750 meters above sea level in the Boquete region in the province of Chiriquí in Panama. And this coffee is one of our ultimate comfort coffee. It's full of caramel, milk chocolate, hazelnuts, a little bit of acidity like apple and grapes. And it's just lovely coffee just to have every day, and it's chuggable coffee. That's how I should say. And for today's recipe, I am going to show you one way to make it this coffee have really full body, super enjoyable, super comfortable. Because in Edmonton, it's September and fall is here, unfortunately, which means that our summer is coming to an end. And so we will have to find something comfortable to do, like drinking this coffee. So let's go. Today we're gonna utilize Orea, and we can use the new Orea V4 with the Apex bottom. And so you don't need the Orea V4 to use this recipe. You can use this recipe on any of the breweries that you have, but today we'll utilize this. And we are also gonna combine it with a flat filter as well. So this is an Orea flat filter, and this is type G. Type G is a little slower than type C. And there's two types of the flat Orea blended paper. And then we can use the negotiator to put the paper into Orea to make it a no bypass brew, creating a more body, more sweetness for this coffee. So let's get started. We're gonna make our lives a little easier by give it a little fold, like this, like that. All right. This will create a center. And then we're gonna place this in the middle. So we just wanna make sure that it's in the middle. Okay. And then we can use the negotiator. Fun fact, these things are made right here in Edmonton with Orea permission. So locally made it. All right, let's push the guy in. See how this works. Give it a little push. Nice. Just a little butt at the bottom there. Now we are ready. And for today, we are going to use 20 grams of coffee to 300 grams of water. So 1:15 ratio, creating a little bit more strength, having a little bit more body for this coffee. And today I'm using the Femobook at a setting of 2 rotations or 200 click. I'm going to use this time to wet the paper. There we go. So the grind size will be a medium grind size. 20 grams go in. Our pour structure today, there'll be 4 pours total. It's a modifications of the 4-6 method. So we are going to do 60 grams for first 3 pours, and then 120 grams in the last pour. If you would like more body, after you've tried this recipe, if you like more body, you can split the last pour into 2. So then you'll have 60 grams, 5 pours total to make 300. If you find that you want more acidity, you can combine the middle 2. So 60 gram, 120, 120. And then you'll have a bit more acidity, a little less body to bring up that acidity. Okay, all right, so let's go. First would be 60 grams, and we're gonna bloom for 30 seconds. And at 30 seconds, we're gonna add 60, so now we are gonna be at 120. We're gonna use a slower pour. We don't want to agitate too much on this because it is a no bypass. So let's the water do the work for you. And then at 1 minute, we're gonna add another 60 grams. So we're gonna go up to 180. And then at 130, we're gonna add another 120 to make 300 grams. So essentially every 30 seconds, you do a pour. Use leftover water to warm up some serving cups. Now for the grind size, if you're using Comandante, you can use around 24 to 26. For Espresso K Ultra, say around 7.5 to 8. And for the K-Max would be approximately 7 for this one. Okay. Total brew time was 2 minutes 30. Really nice. Pick this up. If you don't know, this coffee was really popular last year because of how comfortable the coffee drink. It's not a complex coffee, so it's like a coffee that a warm hug in a cup. Here you go, Steely. Cheers. The first thing I noticed was how heavy it was. So the body is really nice, syrupy, and the sweetness is the most prominent. So caramel, a little bit of chocolate, maybe semi-sweet chocolate, a bit of hazelnut on the finish. Once it cool down, the acidity start coming up, start having a little bit of apple, a bit of grapes. For the aroma itself is a very sweet aroma, and also on the fruitier side, almost like a fine dark chocolate that have that a little bit of fruity aroma to it. So ultimate drinking, everyday drinking coffee. And I really hope you will enjoy this year harvest of the Panama Boquete. This coffee is also suitable for espresso. For a quick espresso recipe, 20 grams in, 44 grams out in about 26 seconds. If you are going to use it with milk, 20 grams in, 40 grams out for a nice flat white or cappuccino. Again, going to be really comfortable on the espresso side as well. So please enjoy how you like the coffee. Let us know where you're from and when your fall starts, because in Edmonton, fall starts in September. Anyway, check out our subscriptions. If you have any questions, you can also ask us through our social media or even in the comment section below as well, and we'll try our best to answer you. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the coffee. Check back for our next video. Bye.